Now let's get into the OATS installation part. Similar to Oracle XE database, we will first download OATS and then install and also verify if OATS has been installed properly or not. As we are going to download this from the same oracle.com portal, we also need to have the account in oracle.com. You might have created it already while installing the Oracle database. Now, in the process of the installation, we need to use the credentials that we have noted down when we were installing the Oracle XE database. Let's get started into the actual video. We will download or search for the download of OATS. The latest version is 13.3.0.1. We have to accept the license here. So here there are multiple download options. Let me explain you a bit. And before that, as I mentioned, there is a prerequisite that you install either Oracle XE or EE database before we install complete OATS. If you want to install complete OATS, there are three exe files. One is for Windows 32-bit, the other is for Windows 64-bit, and other is for Linux 64-bit. And here we also have individual functional testing tools exe files for Windows and Mac. You can download it here. There is one more thing in OATS which is called Oracle Flow Builder. You can also download only Flow Builder if you want to have an inbuilt platform with inbuilt test automation along with pre-built scripts and assets. So this is entirely a different topic and it's not part or not in scope for this course. And we also have documentation related files. If you want to download, you can download them. This is for complete Oracle application testing suite, and this is release notes for Oracle Flow Builder and user guide, so and so. So as mine is 64-bit Windows, I'm clicking on it. You see here at the bottom the download is started. I already have the download, so I'll come back with the steps. Okay, the download is complete. What you have to do now is unzip this folder and then you will find setup.bat file, which you can right click and then say run as administrator to instantiate the OATS installation. So right click on the run as administrator. It will instantiate the OATS installation. So here we click on next. We are opting for complete installation, which is along with Oracle Functional Testing Suite. We'll also get load testing, test manager, administrator, remote agent, and Oracle OpenScript. OpenScript is basically the IDE where we build these scripts. It will ask for the default location. I'm going ahead with that. This is where the OATS will be installed. This password is not the Oracle database password. It is for the Oracle application testing suite related account. Like when we want to log in into Oracle test manager or administrator or load testing, we will use this particular password. Now we are asked for entering the Oracle XE database password. You can keep all others as it is and then give the password which we actually saved in the earlier step, that is while installing Oracle XE database. Now the actual installation will start. Click on install. Initially it is copying files which are required. Sorry for that, I'm just checking if it is recording or not. Now it's copying Oracle application testing suite related files. It's setting up the middleware which is required for the test manager or load testing related things. And now we are successfully installed. Click on exit.